The question for today that has been asked of me is the permissibility of using a toothpaste or a miswak whilst a person is fasting. Now, using a toothpaste is not impermissible or haram at the outset. However, without a proper reason, the using of it is makrooh, disliked. Now, Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Yar Khan Naimi Rahmatullah Alayh, he states that manjan, which is dentifrice, is not deemed impermissible or deemed haram until or unless even a small particle of it does not go down your throat. So the element here is whether the particles of it descends down a person's throat. Now, a toothpaste can be considered in the same perspective as well. It is due to this reason that he states that one should not use dentifrice, tooth powder, toothpaste, etc. whilst he is fasting, because there is almost no way that a person can ensure that the particles of the toothpaste or the tooth powder does not go down a person's throat. Therefore, it is in this way impermissible, right? And with respect to using a miswak whilst fasting, that is allowed, that is permitted, that is permissible, and that is authorized. So a person may use miswak whilst he is fasting. In fact, it is a sunnah of the beloved Prophet, the warmer of hearts, the coolness to eyes, the beloved of Allah, the beloved of all, the Prophet Muhammad, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, used to use miswak while he was fasting, as highlighted by my father, my mentor, my Pir Murshid, my teacher, my guide, my spiritual guide, my axis, my spiritual axis, Sayyidi Shaykh Muhammad Mohsin Munawwar Yusufi. However, it is pertinent to note here that if you chew miswak and then its bits go down your throat, in that instance a person should avoid the usage of miswak. If that is the case, Mufti Amjad Ali Sahib states that whether while fasting you use miswak which is dry or which is wet, the use of it is not impermissible, thus being permissible. It is also a blessed hadith of the noble messenger, peace be upon him, that a blessed companion, namely Hazrat Amir bin Rabi'a, he states that I saw the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, using the miswak while fasting a number of times. Jazakallah.